Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to take a look at the Swiftech Maelstrom 100 millimeter pump reservoir combo. So I haven't opened this. I just got this in the mail from Amazon. Let's get inside and take a look. Right, so there's what it's called there. And I will pop up a picture and I'll have a link in the description as well. Swiftech on the top. Alright, so looks like we got a little quick start guide here. So if you want to read that, you can kind of pause the video. This is the version 2 D5 pump PWM. So we have 2 brackets. Whole bunch of hardware. And the pump itself. Oops, I'm getting fingerprints all over it already. Wow, this thing is super nice. Wow. So yeah, check that out. Here's what the bottom says. And this does have RGB as well. You have a Molex connector and then a PWM. So yeah, so you have a in, out, and then you can use these as a return also, and fill port. And then let me grab a tape measure. So this thing is excuse me, exactly 7.5 inches tall. So you can see there the width. We are right at 3 1/4. And then same for depth. Even though this looks square, this is a round tube. Ooh, and that's glass. I believe that's glass. That's nice. If that is glass, that means that it is more resistant to staining. So yeah, this thing, oh, those are in there tight. Allen keyed plugs. Give you a little closer look. And then there's where, so the mounting hardware. So it mounts there, and you can either mount it this way to have it stand up, or you can mount it that way and mount it towards the back, you know, this way. But yeah, wow, this thing looks really, really nice. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video. I couldn't find any of this specific model, but yeah, so far, I mean, D5 pump, PWM, and some RGB. But yeah, this looks really, really nice. So yeah, anyways, guys, I will do a video of this running as well. You can check out my next video, but this is just kind of a quick overview of this guy. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Check out my other videos. I will be having quite a bit of computer videos coming up. I'm doing a lot of upgrades to my PC right now. Thanks, guys.